2. 75 lbs lightweight vacuum, easy to maneuver and carry. This vacuum combo is perfect for quick everyday cleaning. The powerful suction this corded vacuum ensures continuous and stable high power to get the job done. No need to charge, it is always ready to go. 3-in-1 vacuum W multi-purpose attachments. It is a handheld vacuum cleaner or easily convert to a stick vacuum cleaner by adding the pole handle and floor nozzle. Great for tackling stairs, car cleaning and hard to reach places. Crevice tool also included. Easy to store, stands upright on its own, and the cord wraps conveniently around hooks on the back to keep everything organized. Low maintenance and easy to assemble, this bagless vacuum keeps your maintenance cost as low as possible. Simply clean the dust cup and wash the filter regularly. Top 3 vacuum cleaner. Innovative multi-surface vacuum. Deep clean with Eureka Whirlwind Canister Vacuum, which features an integrated airflow control on the handle that can be easily switched at your fingertips. Suitable for carpet, upholstery and hard floors. 960 watts. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Eureka Whirlwind Lightweight Vacuum Cleaner weighs only 8.15 pounds. It can easily maneuver under and around furniture and stairs thanks to its swivel steering and telescoping metal wand. 2.5 L dust container. No maintenance costs, no bags or filters required. The Whirlwind Top 2 vacuum cleaner. Powerful, convenient, and easy to use. Powerful suction makes it great for quick pickups with multi-purpose utility. Top 1 vacuum cleaner. Upgraded cyclone system. The Eureka Power Speed is now upgraded with new cyclone technology to handle larger debris, smaller dirt, and even microscopic dust. Specific uses: hard floor, carpet, dual action. Powerful pickup, penetrates deep into the carpet to extract embedded dirt, dust and debris. Lightweight, Power Speed does all the work while still remaining lightweight. 5 height settings. The Power Speed works well on carpets, shag rugs and hard floors. Its wheels run smoothly on hardwood floors to prevent scratches or gouges. Multiple accessories included. A quick release handle is connected to the stretch hose for above floor cleaning. A 7-inch long crevice tool, dusting brush.